It's an iPhone 11. Mar, what kind of phone you got? All right, so guys, the back is cracked. I'm finally here. Yeah, so yeah, man, my nigga, my guy Mark has an excellent eye. So yeah.
You can tell I scratched up that screen, but other than
that. All right. You know that lady with the phone, right? That they keep calling? Mm-hmm. So I'm thinking if we could, you know what I mean? Like that would make a lot of, you get what I'm saying? And it's pink, you know? So I feel like I should be able to get that and get her out the way. So y'all, we have a customer that wanted a phone, but she wanted a different color phone, not this particular one. So we had to get the money back, give her a refund and everything. And get the phone back. Now this would kill two birds with one stone, but we got to talk them down a little bit more because this is like a grade B minus. Well, no, it's C because it's a back crack. So about to look at the price list, about to figure it out and see what we can offer him right now. Yo, so he agreed to $280 for the crack. I don't think it's a crack. I think it's a scratch, but we're going to talk about that later in depth. But it's all about having leverage. Yeah, hit me up, man.
All right, man. I'm coming like 20 minutes.
Oh, word? Bet. Listen. All right, bet. Perfect, man. Thank you, man. So, yeah, and you see that, bro? Like he really, you know, he was tight, and he was asking for a good 500 for this, man. You know what I mean? So, and this is unlocked, so we can literally kill two birds with one stone. I called the guy. He said she gonna try to come on Friday, but I'm like, nah, bro. Yeah, I'm not. So if it's sold, it's sold. You feel me? Ain't nobody doing that. But this is a steal. If you look on the price sheet, this is a nice little steal because I think this is a scratch. I don't think it's a crack.
I don't think it is. I think it's a crack.
Yeah. But yeah. So guys, you guys got to see a behind the scenes of me buying the phone, literally. And I love this because the store has been so slow. But I woke up today and I was like, you know what? If I can't capitalize on one area, I'm gonna go fucking hard on another. So I've been going really hard this morning, literally. I made so many offers on OfferUp. It's not even funny. I ain't touched anything that would distract me. I just sat at this table and made so many offers. Guys, so I am currently inventorying phones now. The phone that we just got, the reason I want to emphasize and show you guys how I do it is because I get a lot of DMs and I get a lot of people in my Facebook group. If you are not in the Facebook group, go below, man. I want people that are going to be interactive in my Facebook group. Please come and join, okay? I will be doing live videos every Sunday that will help us all prepare for the week. We would develop a plan of attack. I used to do it on Zoom. I used to say I would do it on Zoom. But instead of doing it on Zoom, I'm going to do it on the Facebook group where we all can join. We all can talk. And I think it'll be beneficial. Now, when it comes to this buying and flipping phones and stuff, oh man, Parking Authority is out today. I want you guys to know it is not hard. It's all about maintaining your leverage. So you go ahead, right? And I'm going to show you guys the Sick W thing. Sick W, this is the Sick W thing right here, right? Right now you see it's unlocked, it's Verizon, clean blacklist, everything, okay? It tells me that this phone can be used with any service. It also has no iCloud on it, and it's grade B+. So I know for a fact that I'll be able to flip it through me or my buyer. It's like understanding, okay, I have two avenues all the time. I have two ways to sell phones. I can sell it myself or I can sell it through a buyer. Either way, I'm going to make money, but how am I going to make the most money? You always make the most money selling it to a consumer. Always. Now, I am not delusional, and I do understand that I have a storefront, so it's a little bit easier for me than it may be for you. But being able to sell phones hand in hand, transaction to transaction, is going to get you way more money than it would just selling it to a buyer. You want to sell to a buyer, when you have a lot of phones or you got a high quantity or you want to establish a relationship with somebody because you know you're anticipating having a large amount of quantity. So this helps you guys understand, okay, well, if I do see a phone that I feel as though is valuable, but I know for a fact on my buyer list it's not hitting, the price is horrible, I'm still going to buy it, but I'm going to try to buy it for as low as possible. Just as a backup plan, I'll use my buyer list. But what I'm going to try and do more effectively is to sell it through OfferUp, sell it through MERCARI, sell it through eBay, sell it through my store, and try and push for a better lucrative profit. And that's where the phone flipping game makes you more money, is understanding that you have options and you're not limited. And a lot of people, I think, feel as though they're limited. This transaction was not supposed to happen. I wake up in the morning, I make 30 offers on OfferUp. I had to make 30 plus today on OfferUp because my store is slow right now. Right now, we're not getting any repairs. We're not getting any walk-in traffic right now. So I'm like, you know what? I got to make money today because I didn't make money on Tuesday. I didn't make a lot of money on Monday. So I'm like, I got to make some money today. So I started making offers. He wanted $600 for that phone, $600. And I'm like, bro, I'm not paying $600. So I talked him down. You guys can learn how to talk people down in my phone flipping course on IamHustlersMindset.com. I talked him down. And once I talked him down to $300, once he came in, we then look at his phone grade and see, okay, the phone looks like this, that, and the third, and we see what we can deduct off of that. So my guy looked at it and he saw that he had a cracks on the phone. So once he saw he had cracks on the phone, it was like, all right, bet, you got cracks on the phone. So we are going to deduct $20 off of it. Ended up buying an iPhone 13 grade B plus unlocked, ready to be used. Never, ever, ever, ever had any type of warranty, exchange, any type of loss or damage or insurance claim. It's literally in a great position to be able to make me a profit. So now it's all about just flipping it as quick as possible. And you guys can do this too, man. You can do it too. It's not hard. It's easy. A lot of people on YouTube, again, they want to sit there. This is what they want to do. I'm going to show y'all. This is what they want to do on YouTube. Because I know it's people on YouTube, you know what I mean, hating. And there's people on YouTube appreciating. And there's people on YouTube supporting. And there's people on YouTube that aren't, right? So I'm going to show y'all right now what they be doing on YouTube. This is what they do. This is exactly what they do. Let me set y'all up. Because I get y'all DMs about, oh, such and such said such and such about you and da-da-da. I know. It's okay. It's okay. This is what they do. They go to the bank. Right? And this is what they do. I'm telling y'all, this is exactly what they do. They be like, yeah, I'm about to go buy some phones and all of that, right? And they buy iPhone 11 or they buy iPhone XRs. I only buy high grade phones. That's number one. And then number two, I buy phones and I flip them, and everybody knows about me already. If you have watched any of my videos, you know for a fact that one thing is true about me. I get to the money and I get to a profit. I'm not buying of course on the iPhone 11, you're going to get a $5 profit. It's an iPhone 11. It's an iPhone 11. It's an iPhone 11. Mar, what kind of phone you got? An iPhone 11. He has an iPhone 11. I can buy the phone from him. I could buy his iPhone 11. I can go ahead and I can say, hey, Lamar, you know, this is what I want to do. I'll pay you $200 to get your 11. What am I going to do with his 11? How much am I going to sell his iPhone 11 for? Nothing really. Maybe $201. Like, I'm not going to sell his iPhone 11 for nothing. So it's all about having leverage. He knows his phone is old, but he has a phone and he's comfortable with what he has. But I'm not going to buy iPhone 11s and then preach on the internet like, oh, this is how you flip phone. You're buying iPhone 11s. People are selling higher grade phones because guess what? People want money. That's what they want. They want money. And I am actually executing, negotiating with people for iPhone 13s and up. Okay? iPhone 13s and up. Multiple pieces. I am going ahead and I am negotiating with them and I am getting a profit off of people that want money. If Lamar, my guy Lamar, right? If he was to sell me his iPhone 11, he's not selling that because he wants a huge profit. That's what I'm trying to say. He's not selling it because he wants a huge profit. He's selling it because he needs the money. That's a difference. I am talking people down when they want a large amount of money. He wanted $600. I talked him down to $280. That's a hustler. That's how you make money. That's how you do it. So I don't want to hear about people talking. We over here at Educated Hustler, we let our work talk. We let our work talk. But hey, you know, we're going to keep going and keep flowing, keep moving and grooving. I love you guys. I'm about to upload this video now, edit it, and I will see you guys on the flip side. Peace.
Put him on the crypto, it was cheap, but he ain't wanna listen. Put him on the money, he was broke, but he ain't wanna fix it. It's a competition where I'm from, who gon' be the rich?